Vice Ganda. Brightest stars in Philippine cinema.
Absolutely.
Oh my God! Nakakaloka to. Naloka mo ako talaga.
Pero, as I've said, dalawa po ang panalo na best
Ay!
actor. Ganyan kahirap ang deliberation. Siguro hindi talaga sila maka-decide kung sino. And even ako, you know, your guess is just as good as mine.
Exactly.
Meron ba kayong hula kung sino? Well, let's see. Kasi, the
Let's see.
Pamas for Best Actor goes to
Let's go. Oo nga, tara na. Vice Ganda! Congratulations, Vice!
Pamas Best Actor.
Maraming salamat. Nagpunta lang po talaga ako dito kasi gusto ko talaga i-celebrate with Direk June Lana yung nomination namin for Best Picture kasi ito po yung kauna-unahang pelikula kong na-nominate ng Best Picture sa FAMAS. I'm just so happy. Pagkatapos po namin ginawa yung And the Breadwinner is, talagang sabi ko, lahat ng award-giving bodies na mag-i-invite o mag-nominate sa atin, pupuntahan ko talaga kasi gusto ko ipagdiwag itong pelikulang ginawa namin nila direksyon, itong And the Breadwinner is kasi talagang pinagmamalaki talaga siya at talagang iyayakap ko at ipinagpapasalamat ko lahat ng nominations and recognitions na binibigay sa amin. Kaya lahat, kahit yung mga awards sa school, pinupuntahan ko kasi nagpapasalamat talaga ako. At saka gusto ko talagang ipagsigawan yung pride ko sa paggawa nitong pelikula And the Breadwinner is. Actually, yung nomination ko, hindi yun ang nakapag-pressure, nagbigay ng pressure sa akin tonight. Ang nagbigay talaga ng pinakmabigat na pressure sa akin, yung kasama ko sa table si Nadine at saka si Ate Bino, pareho silang may trophy. Tapos, nagpipicturean kanina na nahihiya akong sumama. Sabi ko, ay shit, ako lang ng trophy sa table. Pero congratulations to Nadine and Ate Bino. So, maraming salamat, Pamas. This is actually my second FAMAS trophy. My first FAMAS trophy was given years back, but I wasn't able to receive the trophy personally because I had a gig somewhere. So nanay ko yung pumunta dito. I was given the very first Dolphy Award. At gusto kong gamitin ang pagkakataon ko na pasalamatan kayo dahil ako po yung pinili nyo para kala ng kauna-unahang Dolphy Award. At ito naman, Best Actor. Yung nomination lang talaga, sabi ko, Direk June, sabi ko, I'm just so proud. Sabi kay Ate Bitch, ang saya-saya ko. Proud na proud akong nominated ako. Kaya nandito ako, proud na proud talaga akong nominated ako. Tapos nanalo pa ako. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much, Pamas, for making me the very first blonde, fully made up, in black gown to receive the Best Actor Award. So, makakita dito sa social media kung saan man, may this recognition inspire you to embrace the endless possibilities that the world is offering you. As a queer kid, as a queer person, you are limitless and you can be the best makeup artist, you can be the best hairstylist, you can be the best fashion designer, you can be the best educator, you can be the best politician, you can be the best actress, and you can also be the best actor. Because as a queer person, your possibilities are limitless. So maraming salamat sa Pamas. Direct June, panalo to ni Direct June kasi hiyang-hiya ako sa kanya. Sabi ko sa lahat ng artist na hinahawakan niya, lagi nananalo. Ako lang yung pumalya dun sa Film Fest, pero Direct June, panalo ni Direct June ko, siya ang gumawa sa akin as an actor dito sa And the Breadwinner is. Kaya maraming salamat Direct June Lala. Sa Star Cinema, maraming salamat kay Chris Gasman, kay Tita Cory Vidanes, kay Sir Carlo, sa lahat ng bumubuo, sa lahat ng mga co-actors ko, sila talaga ang support sa akin, nagturo. Si Tita Malu lalo na nag-workshop sa akin, and I would like to share and thank for this award, Direct Wendy Ramos, ikaw nagsimula. Maraming salamat. Pamas, maraming salamat po. Arjo, congratulations, super deserved. At sa lahat ng mga nominees, sila Dennis Trillo at lahat, super deserved. Hinahangaan ko kayong lahat. Lalo na nung nanalo ng Best Picture kanina, sabi ko kay Nadine, yung team noon, sabi ko, I'm just so amazed by these people. Nakakahanga. Kasi sila yung damang-damang may yung passion at dedication sa ginagawa. Pagdating sa box office, medyo dihado sila eh. Pero patuloy silang lumalaban kasi meron silang ipinaglalaban at gustong sabihin. Kaya hinahangaan ko po kayo. Mabuhay po kayo. Mabuhay kayo lahat. Maraming salamat. God bless us all. Lord, thank you so much. Thank you very much because you're making me win no matter what. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Vice Ganda and Arjo Atlaide. Best actors for Famas. Can you have a photo with the board, the Famas board, and all the best actors? Congratulations again. I can never say nothing. Because here are the nominees for Best Actor.
The nominees for Best Actor: Arjo Atlaide for Topa, Alden Richards for Hello, Love Again,
Punas lang ang buwan. Kung yan ang gusto mong gawin, sige. Joy, I am more than this.
May ganda tsaka
Dennis Carrillo for Rainbows,
Court finds Domingo Zamora guilty of the murder of his sister Joanna Zamora Pineda.
Vice Ganda for And the Breadwinner is,
Huwag mo na kayong magugutom ha. Huwag mo na kayong kakain kasi pagod ako magpapahinga ng mga sa
Aga Muna for Uninvited,
Tonight, meron kong bisita. Tonight.
Kelvin Miranda for Chances Are You and I,
For Best Actor, we have a tie.
Ay! Vice Ganda and Arjo Atlaide.
Do you have any wild guests? Please shout who your guests.
Vice!
Sino po?
Sabi kay Kelvin. Sabi kay Kelvin. Ang ganda si Kelvin.
Ano Max? Papasahin naman natin ako kasi sila pag-cheer para sa atin.
I think we should go ahead and do it.
Ha? Sino? Okay.
Sean and Japoy.
For the famous Best Actor.
Arjo Taide. Topa.
Congratulations, Arjo.
Wala po sigurong masasanay sa ganito. Narabahan ako ng sobra, naiiyak. Meron lang pong hinandang kodigo para walang makalimutan, just in case. Una po sa lahat, sa FAMAS, maraming salamat for the recognition. Sa pagbibigay pansin sa aming kakayahan sa lahat po na ginawa namin sa TOPA. Sa mga sundalo po, sa pagbibigay inspirasyon para magawa itong storya na to. Hindi lahat ng may topak naman eh. We are all unique in our own ways, and most of the time misunderstood. To anyone and to everyone who is experiencing mental health issues, know that you are loved, and you are never alone. To our three producers, Nathan Studios, Raw Dogs, and Fusey Media, thank you for believing in me. To Direk Richard, maraming salamat. The captain of the ship, ito po si Direk, maraming salamat, Direk. We don't work for this, but we work to tell a good story, and this is what happened. To my co-actors, of course, Julia, Sid, the whole gang, maraming salamat. Thank you for making our lives easier on the set. To my parents, I love you so much, and of course, to my wife, thank you, Papa, I love you. Thank you for supporting me always. And just a short message. This award will serve not just a source of this award will serve as another source of inspiration for me to do better every time I face a new chapter. And may everyone in this pavilion continue to be soldiers of the industry. Huwag po tayong magsawang bigyang kulay pa, inspirasyon at direksyon ang ating industriya. Patuloy po natin suportahan ang pelikulang Pilipino. Sa FAMAS po, maraming salamat, and may everyone have a good evening. Salamat po.